Yeah. Yeah. I don't have that. I cannot see him just now because it's my eye is so blurred, so cannot see. I just take video only like this.
I just see the red cap.
Yeah.